This cheapest phone is the follow-up to the LG K30 from 2018 and it was launched in MWC 2019. LG K40 release date and price. Some details of the LG K40 have yet to be unveiled. The price and the release date for this phone are still unknown, but we can assume that it will probably cost more than the LG K30 that launched at $200, about £150, $280. Design and display. This LG K40 comes with a full metal unibody design, and it has blue color options since LGonly put the blue version of the phone.But LG probably gonna make another color options in the future. This phone is also completed with a screen which is a 5.7-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 720 x 1440 HD+. The phone charges using via microUSB port at the bottom of the phone, while there's also a 3.5mm headphone jack to the side of it too. OS and specs. LG isputting Android 9 Pie software in this K40. The phone is also completed with a 2GHz octa-core processor, 32GB of storage, and 2GB of RAM that should allow you to open up most apps and games. Battery and camera. This K40 has a 3000 mAh battery, but sadly you won't get any special battery features in the phone like fast charging or wireless charging either.